Alden Richard update, an event ni Alden for BDO dyan sa SMX Convention Center for 2025, an annual officers meeting, at nakasama rin ni Alden si Miss Isa Calzado. Yun, no? Ito yung video. Bila, itong tuwa yung mga nandyan. Nakita nila yung ambassador ng BDO, Alden Richard. Tinawag na si Alden, may isa-isada, no? May higit na yakap. May makapangasa mukha si Alden, no?
Kasi there's a lot of inquiries yung mga schedule ko hindi natatakbo. But when we got the opening for this opportunity to be able to see all of the people family across the Philippines and actually from Hong Kong and Singapore, they're also here as well. Sobrang overwhelmed ako Lisa actually. I'm just so honored and so blessed to be part of video and so happy placement ng products natin doon. And of course, for the block screening all over the Philippines, maraming salamat po. I am so grateful. So, with that po, I'm just so honored and so happy to be here tonight, to be able to see all of you guys, Ms. Tessie, Sir Nestor.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.